The first tool is a versatile magnetic mat designed to make work easier and more organized. It comes equipped with 83 built-in magnets, allowing it to securely hold metal tools, screws, and small parts in place. What makes it especially impressive is its ability to support up to 12 kilograms of weight, meaning even heavier tools won't slip or fall. This is incredibly useful for mechanics or technicians who need quick access to their equipment without constantly picking items up from the ground. The mat can be placed on different surfaces, keeping everything stable and within reach during complex tasks. Next, we have the laser liquid transfer pump, a highly practical tool for transferring fluids quickly and efficiently. This pump is capable of moving up to 7 liters per minute, making it ideal for handling substances like kerosene, oil, or other non-corrosive liquids. It simplifies what would otherwise be a messy and time-consuming job, whether you're working in a garage, workshop, or even at home. This tool ensures a clean and controlled transfer process. Its design focuses on convenience and safety, reducing spills and making fluid handling much more manageable. The third tool celebrates a milestone, an 18V battery-powered eccentric sander, released to mark the 100th anniversary of first tool, expected to launch in February 2025. This sander represents a blend of tradition and modern innovation. Being cordless, it offers greater freedom of movement without the limitations of cables. The eccentric sanding motion ensures smooth and even finishes, making it perfect for woodworking, polishing, or surface preparation. It's designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who value precision and efficiency in their projects. The next tool is the Ruby Octo USB Energy, a powerful battery-powered suction cup designed specifically for handling tiles and heavy materials. This tool can support an impressive weight of up to 140 kilograms, making it extremely reliable for construction professionals working with large or delicate surfaces. Its suction mechanism ensures a firm grip, reducing the risk of accidents during installation. Being USB rechargeable adds convenience, allowing users to work without worrying about constant battery replacements, while also maintaining consistent performance on job sites. Following that, we have the Hilti EXT22, an innovative wearable exoskeleton that helps workers manage heavy tools with ease. It can support around 17 kilograms, effectively redistributing weight away from the arms and shoulders. This significantly reduces fatigue during long working hours, especially in tasks that require overhead drilling or extended tool use. By improving ergonomics and minimizing strain, this device not only enhances productivity, but also helps prevent injuries, making it a valuable addition for professionals in construction and industrial environments. The third tool in this set is the Drain Fast Pro Cut Site Stack System, a multifunctional solution designed to handle pipe-related tasks efficiently. This system combines 3 essential functions. In one, it can clamp pipes securely, cut them precisely, and bevel the edges for a clean finish. This all-in-one approach saves both time and effort, eliminating the need to switch between multiple tools. It's particularly useful for plumbers and construction workers who need accuracy and speed when working with piping systems. The first tool in this set is the Milwaukee Nitrous Carbide Blade, a high-performance cutting solution built for durability and efficiency. What makes this blade stand out is its ability to last up to 2 times longer than similar blades, even under tough working conditions. It's specifically designed to cut through demanding materials like wood embedded with screws, which usually wear out standard blades quickly. This extended lifespan not only saves money but also reduces downtime, making it an excellent choice for professionals who rely on consistent cutting performance throughout the day. Next, we have a precision-crafted tool from Woodpeckers, a handheld router plane designed for fine woodworking tasks. It features a compact working area of 22 by 9 centimeters, making it ideal for detailed and controlled material removal. This tool is perfect for trimming tenons, cleaning up dados, or leveling surfaces with extreme accuracy. Its design focuses on stability and precision, allowing woodworkers to achieve clean, professional results without relying on large machinery. The third tool is the tough-built scraper utility knife, a clever two-in-one design that combines a standard utility knife with a scraper. This dual functionality allows users to switch quickly between cutting and scraping tasks without needing separate tools. Whether you're removing paint, adhesive residue, or cutting materials like cardboard and plastic, this tool adapts easily to the job. Its versatility makes it especially useful for contractors and DIY users who want efficiency and convenience in a single compact tool. The first tool is the Skill Twist 2.0 cordless screwdriver, a compact yet highly adaptable device designed for precision work in tight spaces. What makes it unique is its pivoting head, which can lock into 3 different positions: 0 degrees, 22, 5 degrees, and 45 degrees. This flexibility allows users to approach screws from different angles without awkward hand positioning. Being cordless adds to its convenience, making it ideal for household repairs, furniture assembly, and light professional use. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use while maintaining solid performance. Next, we have an innovative upgrade from Malco, a tool that effectively turns a standard drill into a seam cutter. This attachment is capable of working at speeds of up to 17 meters per minute, making it extremely efficient for cutting sheet metal seams. It's especially useful in HVAC and metalworking applications where precision and speed are essential. By converting an existing drill into a specialized cutting tool, it eliminates the need for additional expensive equipment while still delivering professional-grade results. The third tool is the Woodpecker's Sand Stand, a practical accessory designed to improve sanding workflow. This stand securely holds a sander upside down, allowing users to bring small workpieces directly to the sanding surface instead of handling the tool itself. This setup is particularly beneficial for professionals who frequently sand small or delicate parts, as it provides better control and consistency. Its thoughtful design enhances efficiency and reduces fatigue, making repetitive sanding tasks quicker and more comfortable. The first tool is the Ryobi Snow Shovel, a powerful and efficient solution for clearing snow with minimal effort. Designed to handle snow depths of up to 15 centimeters, it can throw snow as far as 6 meters away, making it much faster than traditional manual shoveling. This tool is especially useful in areas with frequent snowfall, as it reduces physical strain while improving productivity. Its design focuses on safety and ease of use, allowing users to clear pathways, driveways, and outdoor spaces quickly and effectively. Next, we have a Ryobi rotating cleaning brush, a versatile tool suitable for cleaning windows, floors, cars, and other surfaces. It features a 15-centimeter diameter brush head that spins at around 210 revolutions per minute, ensuring that dirt and grime are removed efficiently. This motorized action eliminates the need for excessive scrubbing, saving both time and effort. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains or routine cleaning, this tool provides consistent and thorough results across a variety of surfaces. The third tool is a seed planter designed for rice cultivation, which significantly simplifies the planting process. Traditionally, planting rice can be labor-intensive and time-consuming, but this tool makes it easier, faster, and more enjoyable. It ensures more uniform seed placement, which can lead to better crop growth and improved yields. This kind of innovation is particularly valuable for farmers looking to increase efficiency while reducing manual labor in agricultural tasks. The first tool is a threading machine, a powerful piece of equipment commonly used in plumbing and metalworking. It is designed to cut precise threads onto pipes, allowing them to be securely connected with fittings. This process is essential for creating leak-proof joints in piping systems. The machine operates smoothly and efficiently, saving a significant amount of time compared to manual threading methods. It's especially valuable for professionals who regularly work with pipes and need consistent, high-quality results. Next, we have the SIDE 622 Impact Driver, a compact yet powerful tool built for demanding fastening tasks. It not only delivers strong torque for driving screws and bolts, but also features beautiful integrated illumination, improving visibility in low, light working conditions. This makes it particularly useful for construction sites or tight spaces where lighting is limited. Its balanced design ensures both power and control, making it suitable for professionals who need reliability and performance in one tool. The third tool is a smart solution from Ibenstock, designed to deal with a common frustration: jammed drill bits. This tool helps users easily remove stuck bits without damaging the material or the equipment. It simplifies what would otherwise be a difficult and time-consuming problem, especially when working with tough surfaces. By improving efficiency and reducing downtime, this solution becomes a valuable addition for anyone who frequently uses drilling equipment. The first tool is the Ibenstock EOF 100. A versatile sanding and milling machine designed for precision surface work. It features an adjustable depth range from 0.1 to 1 mm, allowing users to remove material with extreme accuracy. Powered by a 1.4 kW motor, it delivers strong and consistent performance, making it suitable for both sanding and light milling applications. This tool is ideal for professionals who need fine control when working on delicate surfaces or preparing materials for finishing. Next, we have an innovative system from Klein Tools that uses rare earth magnets to simplify wire and cable installation. This tool allows users to quickly pull wires through walls, conduits or hard-to reach spaces without complicated setups. The powerful magnets guide the cable smoothly along the desired path, saving time and reducing effort. It's especially useful for electricians who need a fast and efficient solution for routing wires in complex environments. The third tool is the laser hot blade scraper, a specialized device designed to make removing stickers, decals, and adhesives much easier. It heats up to around 230 degrees C, which softens the adhesive and allows for clean removal without damaging the surface underneath. This makes it perfect for tasks like removing labels from glass, metal, or painted surfaces. By combining heat with a scraping function, it significantly reduces the effort required compared to traditional scraping methods. The first tool is the Arbortech Spheroplane, a unique attachment designed for use with an angle grinder. This tool allows users to shape, carve, and smooth wood surfaces with precision, making it especially popular among woodworkers and sculptors. Its spherical design provides excellent control, enabling smooth contours and detailed finishes that would be difficult to achieve with standard tools. Whether you're crafting furniture or artistic wooden pieces, this attachment transforms a regular grinder into a powerful shaping tool. Next, we have a demolition tool from Stanley, built to simplify renovation tasks in homes and apartments. This tool is particularly effective for removing nails, molding, trim, and other fixed elements without causing excessive damage to surrounding surfaces. Its ergonomic design and leverage-focused construction make it easier to apply force with minimal effort. For renovators and DIY enthusiasts, it becomes a reliable companion when tackling dismantling and repair work. The third tool is the Raimondi SOS Tile Leveling System, a practical solution for achieving perfectly aligned tiles during installation. It is designed to work with tiles ranging from 3 to 20 mm in thickness and supports joints starting from 1.5 mm wide. This system helps prevent uneven surfaces and ensures a professional quality finish by keeping tiles level while the adhesive sets. It's especially useful for both beginners and professionals who want consistent and flawless tiling results. The first tool is a Wolfcraft Joint Renewal Kit, a practical set of 4 tools designed for restoring silicone and acrylic joints.